shit!
Oh, this shit is
The cars are floating!
What the?
That car started floating!
Yo!
This is what climate change looks like, guys. This is what climate change does. This is what people, this is why we shouldn't be freaking polluting this atmosphere. No.
Yep, we got a high water rescue going on right now. I was the one who called the, or they called, because I did call, but these people are from Hatsula, from the local ambulance service. Yep. Those people, you see that guy in the hat? He's the lead rescuer. He's leading them out of the flood. It's really bad. There's a high water rescue going on right now.